Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you to make animated stars like this. First of all, open Adobe After Effects. Go to Composition and create a new composition with 1920 by 1080p. And 10 seconds longer. Go to the file and import and select the star's background. Drag and drop the image to the Layers section. Reduce the image size. Now, duplicate the image. Name it to Twinkle Stars. Go to the effects and select curves. Drag and drop to the screen. We want to reduce the image brightness to see the bright stars. Here we go. Now, let's create a black solid and name it to Twinkle Map. Go to Effects and search Turbulent Noise. Drag and drop to the black solid. Let's change the settings. Change fractal type to dynamic. Contrast to 650. Brightness -3. Go to Sub-Settings. Change Sub-Influence to 75%, Sub-Squalling to 50%. Now hold the Alt key and click on Evolution like this. Now add plus time 800. Let's preview this. Let's set the Twinkle Stars layer to screen. Go to the Track Matte settings and set it to Luma Matte, Twinkle Map. Let's preview it. Awesome. Now finally go to the effects and select Glow Effect. Drag and drop to the Twinkle Star layer. Set Glow Threshold to 80%. Glow Radius to 35%, and Intensity to 4%. Let's preview it. Awesome. You can change the time up to 1000 to 2000. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe this channel for more interesting tutorials.